Hello, and welcome back to the Speech Channel. Today, we'll talk about good manufacturing practice in pharmaceuticals. In today's world where health and wellness have taken the center stage, the pharmaceutical industry plays a critical role. Safety, efficiency, and quality control are of utmost importance in this field. The key to ensuring these standards in pharmaceuticals is good manufacturing practice, or short GMP. What is the definition of good manufacturing practice? Good manufacturing practice refers to a system that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards in the context of the pharmaceutical industry. GMP is critical in ensuring that medicines are manufactured to the highest quality for safety and efficacy. The role of GMP in pharmaceutical manufacturing is to minimize the risks involved in production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. By adhering to GMP, manufacturers can ensure that their products are safe fit for their intended use and meet the required quality standards. What is the importance of GMP? The significance of GMP in the pharmaceutical industry lies primarily in ensuring the safety and efficacy of drugs. Pharmaceutical products may cause severe consequences if they do not meet the necessary quality standards. Therefore, GMP compliance is non-negotiable. GMP impacts quality control by defining the parameters within which pharmaceutical products must be manufactured. It also sets out requirements for documentation, personnel qualifications, sanitation equipment, verification process, validation, and complaint handling. Furthermore, GMP helps minimize risks involved in pharmaceutical production, such as cross-contamination mix-ups and deviations that can compromise the quality of the product. What are the key principles of GMP? There are several key principles that underpin GMP. These include adequate facilities and equipment properly maintained and calibrated, equipment qualified and trained, personnel validated processes, reliable testing laboratories, correct materials, clear instructions and procedures, suitable storage and transport, and a quality-oriented mindset. These principles form the backbone of GMP and are crucial in ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of pharmaceutical products. Now, let us talk about GMP regulations and guidelines. Regulations and guidelines. GMP regulations are enforced by regulatory bodies such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency. These regulations set the minimum requirements that a manufacturer must meet to assure that their products are of high quality and do not pose any risk to the consumer or public. Non-compliance with GMP regulations can result in severe penalties, including product recalls, legal action, and damage to the company's reputation. But how is GMP implemented in pharmaceutical manufacturing? Implementing GMP in pharmaceutical manufacturing is a proactive process that involves establishing systems for recording, validating, and monitoring manufacturing processes. The main goal is to prevent errors that can compromise product quality. Quality assurance plays a pivotal role in implementing GMP. It involves various functions such as system validation, documentation, personnel training, and complaint handling, all aimed at ensuring consistent product quality. Let us have a look at GMP certification and training certification. GMP certification demonstrates a company's commitment to producing safe and high-quality products. It is a testament to the company's adherence to international standards. GMP training programs equip individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary for maintaining GMP compliance. These programs cover various aspects of GMP, such as quality management systems, process, validation, risk management, and change control. What about the future of GMP? Greater emphasis on risk-based approaches and continuous improvement. There's also growing interest in implementing advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning for real-time monitoring and predictive analysis. These trends are significantly impacting the pharmaceutical industry by enhancing efficiency, reducing errors, and ultimately improving product quality. The future of GMP lies in leveraging technology and automation. The incorporation of industry technologies could revolutionize pharmaceutical manufacturing processes, leading to increased efficiency and reduced human error. Moreover, as the pharmaceutical industry continues to evolve, GMP regulations will need to keep pace with these changes to ensure continued safety and efficacy. In summary, good manufacturing practice plays a vital role in the pharmaceutical industry. It ensures the safety and efficacy of drugs, impacts quality control, and helps minimize risks involved in pharmaceutical production. Understanding and implementing GMP is not just mandatory, but also beneficial for any firm in the pharmaceutical industry. As we move forward, keeping up with the latest trends and advancement in GMP will be vital in maintaining a competitive edge. Therefore, further learning and training in GMP is highly encouraged for those aiming to excel in this field. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope that you found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on clinical research. We look forward to see you next time.